Hi friends, இப்போ எலக்ட்ரானிக் சர்க்யூட்ஸ் 2ல இருக்க செகண்ட் யூனிட் ஆசிலேட்டர்ஸ் பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஆல்ரெடி ஃபஸ்ட் யூனிட் ஃபீட்பேக் ஆம்ப்ளிஃபையர்ஸ் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். ஸோ அங்கே வந்து we are used the negative feedback. இங்கே ஆசிலேட்டர்ஸில் we are going to use the positive feedback. An oscillator is a circuit which basically going to act as a generator that is going to generate the output signal which oscillates with constant amplitude ஆகும் constant frequency ஆகும் இருக்கும். An oscillator does not require any input signal. An electrical device அது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா sinusoidal voltage வந்து generate பண்ணும் at a desired frequency of 50 Hz. But electronic oscillator can generate a voltage of any desired waveform at any frequency. இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா high frequency generate பண்ணும் up to gigahertz. இப்போ வந்து ஆசிலேட்டரோட டெஃபினேஷன் பார்க்க போகிறோம். எனி சர்க்யூட் which is used to generate a periodic voltage without an AC input signal is called an oscillator. To generate the periodic voltage, the circuit is supplied with energy from a DC source. If the output voltage sine wave இருந்தா, so that is called as a sinusoidal or harmonic oscillator ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். There is another category of oscillators இருக்கு that is going to generate a non-sinusoidal waveforms such as square, rectangular, triangular or sawtooth waveforms. ஆனால் இந்த சாப்டரில் மெயினாக we are going to study about the sinusoidal waveforms. Next வந்து classification of oscillators பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். First type, according to the waveforms generated, sinusoidal oscillator, relaxation oscillator. Sinusoidal oscillator பார்த்தீங்கன்னா that is going to generate sinusoidal voltages or current. First diagramல sinusoidal waveform கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Next relaxation oscillator that is going to generate voltages or currents that is going to vary. That is shown in the second, third and fourth diagram. That is square, triangular and sawtooth. Next type, according to the fundamental mechanism, that is a negative resistance oscillators and feedback oscillators. Next type, according to the frequency generated, audio frequency oscillator ஷார்ட்டாக வந்து AF1 சொல்லுவோம் up to 20 kHz. radio frequency oscillator ஷார்ட்டாக வந்து RFO 20 kHz to 30 MHz. very high frequency oscillator ஷார்ட்டாக VHF ன்னு சொல்லுவோம் that is in the range of 30 MHz to 300 MHz. next ultra high frequency oscillator that is UHF 300 MHz to 3 GHz. next microwave frequency oscillator that is above 3 GHz. example radar. next type, according to the type of circuit used, LC oscillator and RC oscillator. next based on the output waveform, that is we already saw sinusoidal and non-sinusoidal. Non-sinusoidal waveforms such as square, rectangular or sawtooth. next based on the circuit components, the oscillators using the components resistance and capacitance that is called RC oscillators, while the oscillators using the components inductance and capacitance are called LC oscillators. in some oscillators crystal is used which are called crystal oscillators. next condition for oscillation, that is a Burgerson criterion we are going to see. So mainly two conditions. The essential conditions for maintaining oscillations are modulus of A into beta equal to 1. That is the magnitude of the loop gain must be unity. next condition, the total phase shift around the closed loop is 0 degree or 360 degree. These are the two essential conditions. That is a Burgerson criterion. So actually they will ask state Burgerson criterion. This is the important 2 marks. The MCQ questions also they will ask this. This is very important. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.